everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some homemade chocolate chip cookies. That's correct, these homemade chocolate chip cookies, I mean from scratch. So if you guys would like to see how I made these delicious cookies, let's get into the video. First we are going to melt 2 sticks of butter. We are going to make some brown butter for our chocolate chip cookies. Cook till the butter turns brown. It will have like a caramelization color. See, after you're finished, let it sit for 5 minutes or cool. Now we're going to add in our all-purpose flour. Exact measurements will be in the description box below. I'm using 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now you're going to add in some baking soda, which is a teaspoon. After you add in some baking soda, you're going to add in 1½ teaspoons of cornstarch. And this is our dry mixture. So after we get that together, we are going to mix our dry ingredients together. That's correct, just mix it together. Next, we are going to do our wet ingredients. We are going to add in that brown butter that we made. Then we are going to add in our brown sugar, our white granulated sugar, and you're going to mix these ingredients together, like so. After you mix these ingredients together and get them well combined, you're going to add in 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. That's correct. Mix this together until very smooth. You should be able to make it look as if though you can make a figure 8 with your wet ingredients. Now we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and we are going to mix this together as well. Make sure that you get this well combined until smooth. You want that flavor mixed in very well. How many of you love chocolate chip cookies? Raise your hand. Put a hand in the comment section below. Do you like to eat your chocolate chip cookies with milk? I do. So let's go ahead and let's mix our dry and our wet ingredients together. You are going to add your dry ingredients in increments. I did mine in about 4 increments so that it would not be too hard to combine. Do not add all of your dry ingredients at once. It will be very, very hard to combine if you did it like that. So go ahead and combine them very, very slowly. Like you see, I am doing here. I can't wait until I finish these chocolate chip cookies. I am ready to sit down and eat me a couple of cookies and some milk. And this is a great idea for the kids to do this summer. Mothers, fathers, even big sisters, big brothers. If you're watching this video, get your younger sister and brothers together and get them to baking. That's right, baking chocolate chip cookies, something that they will love, that is rewarding and fulfilling, and they will be so happy at the end results. And trust me, anyone can make it. So get the ingredients and get the kids together and make some delicious homemade chocolate chip cookies that everyone will love. Now, it's going to take a minute to get this combined if you are using your regular hand and not a stand mixer, and you can get tired, but you can use a mixer if you have one, okay? And I would recommend it if you don't have any upper arm strength, because, ooh, I ain't gonna lie, I can't do the back in the day stuff. Okay, so now we're going to add in our semi-sweet chocolate chips. Remember, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and we are going to mix them in as well. And you're going to get them combined, and then you're going to wrap your dough and allow it to sit in your fridge for up to 2 hours, okay, before you bake your cookies. Wrap them very, very tightly, and once you take them out, your dough will look like this. Now, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's get ready to bake our chocolate chip cookies. You can use a cookie scooper or you can use your hand and form a ball. Get it like I have here, a ball. And then once I get it in the ball, I press it down and I place it in my pan with a baking sheet, a parchment paper. Align it with some parchment paper and set your oven to 375. And you're going to bake your cookies for 12 to 14 minutes, okay? And then you're going to take them out and you're going to allow your cookies to cool before serving them. You don't want to burn anybody. And voila, here we have some delicious, from scratch, homemade chocolate chip cookies. That's right, that your family will love. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.